Hey guys, today we got a fiberglass cab high unit by Astro. It's a 9907 Ford Super Duty with the 6.9 short bed. Cab high fiberglass, burgundy in color. Not a bad unit. It has a couple nicks and a couple spots, but it's really not a bad looking piece. A couple little scuff right there on the edge. Edge looks pretty good here. The top and the top edge look nice. All the way through there. Come down the front side. Has some like tar or something on there. There's a nick right there and one right there. But the black stuff is like a tar. I think it is actually tar. Bottom edge has the paint chip there. A little bit of a scuff mark right there. A little bit of a paint flake right there. But on that side, that's pretty much all there is. Bottom edge looks nice all the way through here. Half side sliders on the side. Front is sliding window. Has a little bit of a wear mark. I'm not sure why. Maybe the window was replaced at one point in time, but it has a wear mark where the looks like where the edge of the window used to be. Top and the top edge look nice. You can see it's right there as well. The black tar is there again. A couple spots on it. Bottom edge on the front looks nice. Get a little small chip right there. Sliding window in the front, slides open. A little stiff there. It's a two-hander. See if I can get it. I just closed it, so it can't be that hard. We'll come back to that plan. Top and the top edge look nice on this side. Does have the single frameless rear locking rear door on this. Back edge looks nice. A couple of little scuffs, just like tree branch scuffs. I don't even know if you can see them really well. Tree branch scuffs more than anything. A little bit of a paint chip on the bottom edge, and then there were a couple of spots right there. Bottom edge on this side look really nice until you get to about right in there. You got some paint, looks like something rubbed against the edge of it. Scratch the paint off. Another strip of tar. I don't know where all this tar came from. And a little bit of a scuff on the paint there. Half side sliders on the side. Inside is carpeted. Screen, top half of the screens are good on this side, but get down here, you got a little bit of a hole right there, and then you've got a pretty good slice in the screen right through there. And something else rubbed against there and kind of tore the screen up, so keep the big bugs out. Sliding window in here. And I know that opens because I just closed it. So it was open. I don't know why I can't get that with one hand. Screen on this side is in good shape. No damage on the screen on this side. There it is, cab high fiberglass Astro. Fits the 9907 Ford Super Duty with the 6.9 bed, the short bed. Burgundy in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, deck units, things like that, those can all be purchased online as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching, and subscribe below to keep up to date with our newest inventory.